What's up, everybody? How's it going? Today we're gonna unbox the Viking 12-volt Jumpstarter plus air compressor. We're gonna unbox this thing. This is actually for those that are doing roadside assistance. Me being a roadside assistant provider, those are the kind of tools that I use. Okay, these are the kind of tools that I use. I just got this because we had one that is the air compressors is not working. So I went ahead and grabbed this one right here. So I'm gonna unbox this thing and show you guys how to operate it, and it's gonna be a very quick short video. It's not gonna be a long video. So first, right out the box, we can read on here. It's a 12-volt Jumpstarter plus air compressor. Very good at and powerful. You know, again, this is for people that are doing heavy duty work. You know, this is not some light stuff for little girls. You know, all right. So this is everything that it does right there on the box. All right. Extra heavy duty clamps. All right. These, I mean, if you read all of these stuff, the thing is powerful. So if you just need something to jump your car, I mean, you don't need this right here. But for people that want to do heavy duty stuff, this is the cable that charges it. It comes right out of the box, just like that, right? These up, and that's it. Still comes with a manual, a book that you can go to, the owner manual if you don't know how to use it. I do, so I really don't need it. But yes, this is it. How this thing works is, like I was saying, this is powerful, right? So if you don't know what to do, don't bother. Try to get this thing, right? Very heavy duty, okay. Very powerful. Stand right there. All right. If you look at it, look. This requires power to open this thing, to hook it up. Okay, and this is just go. It's not just gonna go any type of car battery. So a little touch for regular cars, a little touch will do. But this thing will start any vehicle. And to use it, you go ahead and connect this to battery or whatever spot that you think you jumpstart your car. This is your positive and negative. Go ahead and connect them, and turn this on. Once you turn this on, the lights is gonna come on, right here. That means it's ready to use. Okay, and that's it. For the air compressor behind you, you're gonna have to turn this on. You turn it on, you're gonna get a little sound. Now, back here, you're gonna find the one that said air test. Hit it. and keep your hand on it. Keep your finger on it for a little while, and then it's gonna come on. Right? That's how it works. Either you keep your finger on here, and turn it on. Okay? And it's already on. Super powerful. Right? Turn it right back up right there. And here, these are your lights. So to use your light, I think you're gonna have to turn all of these on or whatever. I'm not sure why the lights not coming on. But the light should be actually be coming on. I don't know why it's not coming on, but she should be coming on. Yeah. Well, that's it. Very powerful and you know, heavy duty. Like I said, it's not just for a regular whatever. If you just want to use it for your little car, you might want to get something smaller than this. Right? This is for roadside assistance provider. So, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, leave that in the comment, and we will respond to your testaments, your comment. All right. This is Kentucky Roadside Assistance, and we will be glad to help you out. Thank you.